sins, all of the wrongs, the evil little things. Pain I've caused to every living being. Show me the light so I can really glow. Give me the knowledge so I can really grow. Guide me to positivity. Help me live a legacy. Every breath I take must be holy and most healthy. Praise to God, guiding everybody to the land, and those who trust in He will forever see the promised land.
When you talk to them, which is the one